Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to connect rear camera. The rear camera comes with rear front and cabin camera. You can connect it via this long cable which is included in original package. Thanks to this long cable we can easily organize the cable through the car. To connect it, firstly connect this part to USB port here. Make sure to connect it to the port on the left side, because left side is for the camera and right side is for the power supply. Now once the cable is connected, organize it through the car and in the end connect it to camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.